Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So you can see currently we have some consolidation across the board. As market stands really overextended. It's not just euro currency, but dollar index on the weekly chart. Treasury is absolutely overextended, so it's on the monthly chart, a big overbought on a 10-year yield. As you know, the financial markets feels really uncomfortable to stay above the overbought for a long time and need to just out of these conditions. Explains why the 10-year treasuries currently see some minor pullback. So from the 3.15 back to the 3.05% 10-year yield right now. But on the cable, we'll also see some pullback. But in general, if you'll take a look at the character of this pullback, the shape the market is showing, it carries no signs of reversal. So it's some kind of the technical pullback just because of the technical conditions, not because of the changing of the sentiment, changing of the trend on the market, changing on the fundamentals or something of that sort. It's just temporal event, and we need to wait when it will happen, when it will be over, before market will keep going in the same direction. And on euro currency, approximately the same story. So we have the same flag consolidation. Grabber is still valid. Here we see minor pullback. What is interesting is that take a look within the recent few sessions, the market was not able to out of this indecision candle. So on Monday it was trading inside this candle, and right now it's trading again inside of the same range. Tight consolidation, which just means that market doesn't know what to do, and it's mostly stands in direction of the previous existing trend. So to be honest, to start thinking and talking about the possible more or less significant changes on the daily chart, first we have to get opposite breakout of the flag. So if this will happen, and this has to be a real breakout, so not just some minor breakout and just return it back down. We need to get the breakout. The market should stay out of this flag consolidation, so start upward action. In this case, yes, we probably could start talking and searching for some bullish patterns or something of that sort. I don't know what it will be. Kind of the hand and shoulders here, large hand and shoulders on the daily or something of that sort. But currently at this point, the market stands inside the flag consolidation, shows anemic pullback. It absolutely doesn't indicate any trend in the sentiment. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the grabbers even that have been formed on Friday are still valid. So we do not see the market above the top. As I said, it stands in the same indecision candle on the daily chart, and both grabbers are still valid, and market really could keep going lower. In fact, we also can't exclude the situation where we'll get large butterfly pattern. So take a look. I'm just trying to express it on the hourly chart, which is a bit better to see in here. So take a look. This might be this kind of action. Swing 104.25 target. Let's complete the major OP on the monthly chart. And with this performance that we see here, I do not see yet reasons to be worried about the possible bullish breakouts. So maybe yes, it could happen, but that's actually the sign of the bullishness that we are waiting for. And currently we do not have it. So it means that for the bulls, personally, I do not see anything valuable yet. For the bears, you probably could try to possess yourself with this construction, with the placing stop maybe somewhere above this top, carefully trying to play with this butterfly, or even trying to, well, probably right, because here we also have the grabber right there, so maybe it will be enough to place stop just about there, but theoretically it will be better to place even above the flag pattern. But might be a bit too far, and here, since we have more or less clear pattern, it makes sense to stick with it and just save potential loss if still market will able to break it up. So with this current performance, well, the only probable upward action that might happen, it's market could try to complete this A, B, C bottom OP target to form guidance triple to sell. Maybe if you'd like to take the short position, you could wait for this patient, but just compare this action here and that action. It's absolutely different. So here's more or less straightforward upward action. Here's significantly slower and choppier. And well, it's signs that market here has more chance to show the reversal. That's why I'm not exclude the chance when the market just will not complete the OP. It could happen just earlier downside action and keep going lower. Besides here with this minor A, B, C patch, the market already has completed the OP right there. So that's approximately the background that we have. Overall situation is not very superb because everything is going around the target already. So we still have some potential for trading, but it's mostly for trading on the intraday charts. For the daily setup, this scale is a bit small. So on the daily, we need to just wait and see what will happen around 104.30. Whether the market will form there some more or less acceptable pattern to consider moderate pullback, and whether it makes sense to take part in this possible pullback. But still, that's actually the patterns that we have. You have time to think about it and make the decision.